Hi there, my name is Ai Livioco and I am an entrepreneur, freelancer, pet enthusiast, and now a content creator. A few years ago, I was just an ordinary millennial dreaming of a better and happier life. I explored various of industries from airlines to hotels to caterings, immersed myself in the world of hospitality. Then the pandemic struck, turning my life in an entirely new and exciting direction. With my husband, we saved up and ventured into the world of entrepreneurship. We launched a pet store business, ventured into franchising, and even built our own brand. It's been 3 years now, and this journey has been filled with invaluable lessons and mistakes that shaped me into an entrepreneur I am today. I've realized that this time, it's time to share these experiences with other young individuals. To be honest, isa lang din ako sa mga negosyante na na-inspired sa mga role model or mga success stories na nakikita natin on social media. But then I realized, marami na akong mistakes, marami na akong nabaon. Why not i-share ko ito sa mga millennials na kagaya ko? Also Gen Zs and Gen X. Itong content creation na gagawin ko, it took me a while bago ko na-realize na gagawin ko na siya. Mahiyain talaga akong tao. I mean, mahiyain ako, pero matulungin akong tao. Gusto kong i-combine yun by using the social media to share it with you. Pinag-isipan ko talaga ng matagal ko. So, it's been few months since na-realize ko na I should do this. Marami na ako na-accomplish and marami na rin akong pwedeng i-share. Marami na rin kasi ako natulungan secretly, mga bilang na people who got inspired to what I did. After helping them, I think na masarap sa pakiramdam ang matulungan. How much more kung mas marami pa akong matulungan. So, this is not just an ordinary content creation. This is more of me helping you achieving your dream and become the next future success stories. So, mga millennial na negosyante, I am inviting you guys to follow me on my social media accounts, especially with my YouTube channel, Millennial Negosyo. And also, invite ko na rin kayo to join me on my community group, Millennial Negosyante. Sabay-sabay po natin harapin ang mga pagsubok sa pagtatayo ng negosyo. Maraming salamat. This has been Ai, and I'll see you around.